Have you ever started a new habit, feeling unstoppable for the first few days, and then suddenly you just stopped? You promised yourself you'd wake up early, read daily, go to the gym, meditate every morning. But after a few days, that fire inside you faded, and you told yourself, I'll start again on Monday. But Monday never came. Don't blame yourself, because it's not your fault. It's your system. In this video, we'll uncover why your habits never stick and how you can finally build routines that actually last. These lessons come from one of the most powerful self-improvement books ever written, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Stay till the end because the last few minutes might completely change how you think about success and self-discipline forever. Let's be honest, motivation feels great, but motivation fades. That's the truth nobody likes to hear. The real reason most habits fail is because we rely too much on willpower. We try to force change instead of designing change. Think about it. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. If your system is weak, your willpower won't save you. You can't out-motivate a bad environment. You say, I'll eat healthy, but your fridge is full of soda and chips. You say, I'll study every night, but your phone keeps buzzing with notifications. You're not broken. Your environment is just working against you. Here's the truth. You don't build habits to achieve goals. You build habits to become the kind of person who achieves goals. That's what James Clear calls identity-based habits. Instead of saying, I want to run a marathon, say, I'm the kind of person who doesn't skip a run. Instead of saying, I want to be organized, say, I'm the kind of person who keeps things tidy. Because every small action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. The more votes you cast, the stronger your identity grows. And once your identity shifts, your habits follow naturally. You don't need motivation when something feels like part of who you are. James Clear simplified habit formation into 4 powerful laws. The 4 laws of behavior change. Think of them as a formula for making any habit stick. Law number 1, make it obvious. You can't change what you don't see. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle on your desk. If you want to read more, place your book on your pillow before bed. Your environment should scream your goals. Law number 2, make it attractive. You repeat what you enjoy. Pair your habit with something you already love. Listen to your favorite playlist only while working out. Make your morning routine something you look forward to. Law number 3, make it easy. Don't aim for perfection, aim for repetition. Start small. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to meditate? Sit quietly for 1 minute. Success isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. Law number 4, make it satisfying. Reward yourself for progress. When you tick off your habit tracker, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of satisfaction. That feeling isn't small. It's your brain saying, let's do that again. We overestimate what we can do in 1 week and underestimate what we can do in 1 year. Tiny improvements, just 1% better every day, can lead to massive change over time. If you improve by 1% every day for a year, you'll be 37 times better by the end of it. But if you get 1% worse every day, you'll slowly destroy your progress. That's why habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. The results are invisible at first, then suddenly they're undeniable. Imagine an ice cube sitting on a table. It's frozen solid at 25 degrees. You warm the room, 26, 27, 28, and nothing changes. Then, at 32 degrees, the ice begins to melt, and then that's how habits work. Change doesn't happen in a straight line. You promised yourself you're not failing. You're just below your breakthrough temperature. So when you feel stuck, don't quit. But after a few days, your small actions are building momentum. The results are hidden. but they're
I'll start
coming.
again on Monday.
Building habits that last
But
isn't
Monday
about
never
being
came.
perfect.
Don't
It's
blame
about being
yourself,
consistent enough
because
to
it's not
stay in the
your
game.
fault.
When
It's
it's
your
hard,
system.
show up
In
anyway.
this video, we'll
When you
uncover
fail,
why your habits
start
never
again the
stick,
next day.
and how you can
Because
finally
success
build
is not
routines
one
that
giant
actually
leap.
last.
It's thousands
These
of
lessons
tiny
come
steps
from
in
one
the
of the
same
most
direction.
powerful
And if you keep
self-improvement
walking
books
long
ever
enough,
written.
you won't need
Atomic
to chase
Habits
change.
by James
You'll
Clear.
become it.
Stay till
If
the
this
end,
video
because the
inspired
last
you,
few
hit
minutes
subscribe
might
and
completely
join
change how you
Habitra,
think about success
where we build
and
better
self-discipline
habits and
forever.
upgrade our lives.
Let's be honest.
One small
Motivation
change at
feels
a time.
great, but
Your
motivation
future self
fades.
is already waiting.
That's the truth. Nobody
Don't
likes
make them
feeling.
wait any longer.